Where does Darth Vader buy his shoes?
Where?
At the Darth.
I paused at the start. I was just watching you go.
I should have beaten it. That's kind of a dumb
What are
day.
you for?
It's the dual ship and cube thing. It's like kind of hard.
Yeah, the part's like really hard.
I never died there from 0 and going for it at first.
If they keep fucking me like this, I might just die. They pop my booty till I cry. Lick my dick and the cum start dripping. I took a bite of his ass, it tastes like lemon pepper chicken. He throw me up in the air, my booty flipping. He ducking his balls in my booty like he's Scottie Pippen. Met the nigga last night. Then I rolled his dick like a bike. He's so thick, he looks like the dice, but that's okay, cause I think his name's Mike Jordan. He fucked me while recording. He sent me butt pics this morning. Hands down the greatest news I've received. I love when I receive 3 big balls. It's like we playing tennis. He got a big dick, I think his name Dennis. I jerk his dick till that nigga finish, and his dick making green. It tastes just like spinach. Dude, I love when they send me off the news. I had to make a nut because his balls were blue. He didn't have a clue. He slides in and out my ass like he's cleaning out gutters. This nigga didn't take a butter. Saw his dick swinging up in the motherfucking hallway. He like me and my friends because we're all gay. We like dick, and I like his ass because he's thick. Hey, he gon' fuck my butt to my stick and his dick will drop.
What the? I just Fluke Black Blizzard from 37. What?
No way.
What
What?
the fuck?
Yo, GG. What the fuck?
Are you being that ass? Wait, share your fucking
Wallahi,
screen. Share your
bro.
fucking screen.
What the
Wallahi.
fuck?
Share your fucking
Bro, I'm
screen
being
right
so
now, bro.
dead. I just
Bro,
Fluked
how
it
is-
for 30
What?
Stay
seconds.
on the phone.
Oh my, he left.
Oh my god.
One wallahi left, dude. What the fuck actually we did?
+5 Wallahi's for
Open
you,
your
brother.
data.